Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 6-09, the Gudgeon Pin for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-09, the Gudgeon Pin for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Go File, New, part MMGS. Okay, so let's go to top plane. Going to do a circle. That's going to be 8mm. Yes, it is 8mm. Smart dimension. 8. That's going to be extension of extrude, of 48.5. Okay. Zoom out. Let's change this material to stainless steel, or close we got to stainless steel. Metal. Steel. Polished brass steel. Let's try that one. Alright, so now we want to go to geometry, plane. There it is. There we go. And okay. I'm not putting plane on the next one. The thread's only going to come down 8mm. I'm going to put the thread way down lower. And then we're going to extrude this wider, bigger. Extrude this bigger. That way the thread goes right to the end point. It doesn't like have a bit missing or a bit filled in. You've seen that in previous videos. So let's now go to, what am I after? Thread. Hole wizard, thread. M8, yeah, still the same. So we want circle. We want that plane, and we can actually go I'll keep doing that way. Actually, if we go blind, what does that mean? 10mm, that's 10mm. So 18, let's do 20. Do 25. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay. That way the thread, the reason I do up the top here, that way the thread cuts down, it doesn't start cutting in beforehand. Let me hide you. Let me just rotate you around. Well, this end here, we're going to do a sketch. We're going to do a circle. That's going to be 12. And that's going to be extrude, but we want the other way. And that's not going to be, oh, sorry. Extrude the other way. So it's going to be 40.5. See, it's covered up the thread there. And if I go okay, that's what I want. The thread going right to it. We did the other way, you have a bit here that's going to be filled in. Now that may or may not affect it, but this way the thread's right down. So technically you can screw that right in flush. Now we just need one more part. Let's do not top, front, normal to, sketch. Want this box here. There we go. So connect those two on there, so they should be connected there. It's going to be 3 high. Now let me find the center point of that line, which right there, it's going to match center point there, and that's going to be vertical. Now, if I grab you, can I... Yeah, I can go back and forth, but I can't go up and down. That's what I wanted. Okay, it's going to be 3 mil as well. 3 mil, everything's locked in. Rotate rounds in the middle, beautiful. Feature, extrude. Through all, second direction, through all, and done. That should be it for that piece. It's like a screwdriver you can put on there. That should be it. That's it. Yep. Just that thread there, so. Alright, that is part 6-09. The Gudgeon Pin done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Thank you for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.